Today I'd like to share how I created this simple yet beautiful decor for my dining room sideboard. Hi, it's Kay with Modest Me Designs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. My dining room sideboard needed a transformation. Some things had got moved around and it was left incomplete. So the first thing I did was cleared it off. I removed the candlesticks, and then I removed the elephant and the giraffe, and then I was left with this blank slate. Just what you want when you're about to create something beautiful. The first thing I did was to lay these two placemats side by side. I got those from Big Lots. Next, I added this placemat right in the center. And I love the way the neutral colors blended in with the placemats. I got this at Marshall's at the end of the season last year. The next step was to bring in this green vase that I hauled from the thrift store. Look at how well that sea green and gray trim colors blend with the placemats below. I put back the two candlesticks to balance out the ends of the sideboard, and then I placed a pumpkin on top of each one, again creating symmetry and balance. After that, how about adding a few pumpkins again at the base of the candlesticks? So I had a brown and tan one, but the colors are close enough that they still created balance and symmetry to the look. Next, I added some frosted leaves into the vase. But sorry, I forgot to adjust the camera so you could see me while I was doing that. So here it is. I'll lift the camera now so you can see the arrangement I've made. And it's just a floral arrangement that gives a neutral look still to the design. So here you have it, my simple yet elegant fall design for my dining room sideboard. So what do you think? Please leave a comment below and let me know if you think the colors blended well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. I've got some more fall things coming your way in the near future. All right now. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again real soon.